Good evening on this Saturday night. We're going to start with a huge number, 93 million. That is how many Americans are on the move this holiday weekend. Nearly a third of the U.S. population boarding planes, jumping trains, or getting behind the wheel. Many of them dealing with real weather problems like this truck blown right off the road and this gas station where the roof over the pumps was knocked down. But the big worry tonight is what happens after Christmas when everybody tries to get back home. There are two big new storms bearing down, and ABC News meteorologist Ginger Z is all over the story.
Relentless winds, gusting up to 60 miles per hour around the nation's capital today, put holiday travel on hold at Dulles Airport.
And they actually had to have planes change runways, moving runway landings around because of concerns about crosswinds. A lot of passengers tell us they were dealing with some turbulence on the way in.
For the millions hitting the road, it was far from perfect. In Rochester, New York, whiteouts made travel nearly impossible. And for those who thought trains were the safe bet, a major commuter train outside Seattle is still shut down thanks to almost a dozen landslides. And this is still all part of that disastrous winter storm that tore across the nation this week, killing at least 7 people. That brute of a storm is gone by tomorrow. But don't set down your weather remote. This is video from the Sierras, up to 3 feet of snow with a new storm. Look at these photos from Bernie, California. All that snow, then a night of heavy rain, and a roof collapsed into this store. The snow so heavy it sent a tree through this trailer, killing a man. And that beast is now coming east.
The beast is coming east. In fact, we've got 2 beasts coming east. Tell us what we're in store for.
That's right. Places like Washington, D.C., which only have a snow about 1 in 12 chance on Christmas Day, have a closer chance. I have to show you this first storm. Look at this. Last time D.C. had snow on Christmas, by the way, it was 2002, so it's been 10 years. They deserve a little. It's going to come up Monday into Tuesday. This is Storm 1, and I think this could affect travel, especially if you're doing those short trips to Grandma's house from New England. As this moves offshore, that would be Storm 1 and the problem one. But this is the bigger one, and this is the one I'm more excited about. It drops out of the Rockies on Monday. Oklahoma could see snow on Christmas. Places like Arkansas could have a white Christmas. And look at the thunderstorms. It's much like last week. Severe weather possible. Then this thing moves just like a check mark, kind of like that big Nike symbol, right up to the mid-Atlantic. So Wednesday and Thursday, when a lot of folks are heading home, it looks like we could be seeing some travel troubles.